the refrigerator running?
It isn't. What now, kid? Go inside there and piss.
Where are we going?
I think we're going to like the largest swap meet in Illinois.
Did you just make that up?
Yeah.
It sounded good.
It's a fact. Yeah. I have to piss so bad, dude.
It's not small, we'll say that. It's not
I have
small.
to piss so bad I'm a shit. It's amazing how fast he walks when he needs to.
For those short little fucking legs. I don't know how he does it.
Sounds like yeah, I mean when I talk to him, I don't think he even hears me.
He's not listening.
Alright.
Get the chains, I gotta piss. I already hate this. That's fucking nice. I should buy socks here. How tall do you think these socks are? Probably the tallest socks on earth.
They don't know. Feel good.
They don't.
Feel that.
I know.
Don't buy these. I won't let you buy these.
I know.
How do you not stay away from this tent?
I'm saying, dude.
The whole get up? That's how that works?
Yeah, you gotta stay camouflaged.
You'll figure it out. There we go.
How much are those black ones?
That's actually pretty sick.
Are you enticed by the swap yet? Or
Not really at all, but...
you in? Stock up.
Hey! 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 You don't want to lose these. You don't want to lose those.
They probably have some 1995s in them.
You might.
How much for them? Like 275. 75. I'm you want to get back in the van? Yeah. Let's go. What's up, man?
How are you?
Let's go, John.
Craig.
Seth.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, dude. Nice to meet you, man.
I know you.
What's up? Hell yeah. Can we drink some beers and ride this thing around or what? Craig's driving today.
We'll allow it.
Sure.
Craigie's driving today, dude.
Sure.
The Caribou coffee ain't too bad, man.
That's a Midwest staple right there.
Shit, man. Never gonna go bad on dunks, but it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Don't ever eat the food.
Yeah,
Don't ever eat the food from dunks.
It's terrible.
Yeah, they're awful.
Every time I get them,
it'll give you cancer.
Oh, do they?
It's bad. Yeah, my wife not too long ago got an everything bagel, and she froze. She was eating it. I was like, "What's up? You all right?" And she's like, "A little roach just fell off my everything bagel." She thought it was like a piece of spice, and it was a little baby roach that got cooked into the bagel. I was like, "Hell yeah,
I'm done.
Hell yeah."
Done. After that, I think I'm.
Hey, cold brews are tight.
Yeah, cold brews are tight.
Yeah. What do you think? Like it? It's all right.
It's alright.
Yeah. It'll work. Light it up. Oh, we got microphones? Sick.
That's how we get that good audio.
Shit, dude. Should I go under the shirt?
Yeah, you can clip it.
Craig, are you seeing this shit,
I'm
dude?
watching and loving.
Microphone check, 1, 2.
Oh, God.
Hello. Sibilance. Check, sibilance.
Yep.
Sibilance. Lovely.
Love that.
Lovely. We're mic'd. We're hot.
It's a hot mic.
It's a hot mic, baby. Stick it on Craig. Yep, Craig's getting
This
one.
is not
You
happening.
sure are.
You sure?
Give me the camera. You won't even see it with your beard, dude. Clip it to your beard.
I could. It's there right now.
Is that gonna you gonna do that?
Well, I mean, I imagine it's like talking through a filter or something. This is a mistake.
Yes.
It's a little wind.
Oh, nice.
God damn it! I pulled some hair out.
Fantastic. Your hair looks great. You don't have a hole in your shirt. It's fine.
He does.
So many holes, dude.
I feel so many holes in your
From welding and lighting myself on fire, and I like to wear the same shirts over and over and over until they completely disintegrate off my body.
Yeah.
They become better. They become more powerful. There's more holes in it.
What's your YouTube channel?
Throttle Addiction. What's your YouTube channel?
He's looking. This is gonna be the problem.
I imagine. I don't know how it's not a problem yet. I feel like I'd be swearing.
They're hecklers.
Oh, that's amazing.
Little kids are brutal.
These children heckle.
Little kids are brutal, dude.
Yeah.
Look at that kid mean mugging me. What's up, dog? Do I look like
Swole.
yes?
Dude, you guys kicking bikes is what the people want to see.
Is it though? I'm learning that kicking it with this is also a fucking nightmare. You gotta hold it. What's up? That's right, kid. That's all you get, Chop Cult. That's all you get.
You gotta give. What?
What happened?
Go play.
Nice, dude.
You're-
Like
About vodka?
You're a sussy baka.
I also like
Oh.
vodka.
Yeah.
What is it?
Sussy baka. It's calling you a sussy idiot. Sus.
Wait, that was an insult?
Yes.
Did he call him a homosexual?
That was an insult?
That is, yeah. I don't think he understands what he's saying, but
That's what I mean.
I don't know, man. It sounded cool to me, dude.
yeah.
I think
It sounded chill to me.
Whatever
Yo,
you
I
said.
was drinking some Celsi vodka last night.
Nice.
I feel fucked up. Starting easier. It hasn't really been that bad, to be honest. It was that first night that was awful, and then the rest has been pretty good. It is running rich as fuck. I gotta dial that thing in.
You'll figure it out.
I just don't want to mess with it yet. I want to mess with it after the show.
It starts now.
Because
Yeah.
It's gonna let
It starts. Yeah, it's a knuckle with a mag on it. It starts.
Don't fix it to death.
No. I wonder if you can hear this in the microphone. Hold on. Oh, it's so quiet.
That's the bad seed right there.
The
I see-
tie-dye kid or what?
No, black shirt.
Oh yeah.
Underneath the basketball hoop. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You know
Yeah.
he's gonna be in high
I can
school.
already tell, dude. It's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
He's talking shit to us right now.
What's up, guys? You watch C-SPAN? This will be on C-SPAN later. Tune into channel 4. Hey, what's
Oh.
up, guys?
Haven't I seen this on YouTube?
What's this one? What's this one, huh? We're in the process of selling the rest of the things. We're at like 40.
Is this really happening right now?
Yeah.
What?
What? What happened? What did it?
It's white noise to him.
Yeah, I don't even
understand.
Oh, really?
This is every day.
That's fucking funny.
Fucking children. Every
Yeah,
day.
hell yeah. Is that what he said?
Yeah.
Oh, you can put this on your little fucking show, you guys?
Oh, you don't know what they were
did you-
saying to us.
They were
already.
saying
You're not going to tell them
stuff to us.
anything they don't know.
Something like yeah,
They accused us of being homosexuals.
No way.
No
way.
You go in the bathroom.
No.
Like the kitchen thing. Kitchen stuff.
Got
The
it.
cabinet.
No
What's your
pleasure.
favorite bikes?
Kawasaki.
Ninja.
Kawasaki Intruder.
Nice. Good choice.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Vulcan.
Yeah, Vulcan.
Vulcan.
Vulcan 650. You ever heard of it? It's a pretty cool bike.
Wait, is the refrigerator running?
It isn't.
Give it up.
What now, kid?
Nobody.
Hey, that's called checkmate.
Nobody.
All right. Yeah, I remember you guys putting it out. Yeah, these came out good, dude. We did the unthinkable, people. Made it to throttle addiction. We're here. We are here. We've arrived. They're giving us bait seats. It's sick. They're charitable people.
Just waited till you came so we didn't have to pay the postage to
Makes
get
sense.
it. Yeah.
Makes sense.
We never thought you'd show.
Yeah. Yep.
Weird.
That's kind of weird. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's it. Let the fox in the hen house now.
Yeah.
The Jeff Bezos is of the motorcycle world right here, dude.
Right.
Plurals.
Often what people call us. That is-
Zach Bezos.
Jeff Bezos, dude.
Better hair.
Hell yeah. We were just on the super yacht, no big deal. We didn't film it. We can't film it. Right? One big banner across the garage door.
It's a chop cult love with that.
Sure. You want us to?
Yeah.
Okay. What's up? Boom. Chop cult. Shout out to Lisa. Yeah, what's the fucking motorcycle barn find situation out here, dude? What's up? Where are the parts at? Where are the knucklehead cases at? Don't keep that
Love
stuff
to tell
secret,
you.
alright?
He sounds like he might know.
Huh?
He sounds like he
You,
might know.
yeah, you.
Yeah,
You're the
he-
one that would crack.
he's sniffing
We'll
them
bring
out.
you. We will get the information we need. We will get the information we need. Okay? All right? What do you know? You seem to know something too. All right? You seem to know a couple things. I've seen you out there. Big dogs. Came to the Midwest to check out a big dog. Crazy.
Shout out to Hy-Vee.
Shout out to
Sponsor
Hy-Vee.
us.
Sponsor us, please, for the love of
Shout out
God.
to Hy-Vee. Shout out to Wahlburgers, kid. Mark, you owe me $10. All right? All right? We did it. No one thought we could. We're here. Throttle addiction. We made it, dude, to the motherland. Midwest, baby. They're so nice. The cheese curds are plentiful.
They flow like
flow
water.
like water,
the
like
clear
wine.
waters of Eau Claire. Did you
Yeah.
know that means clear water?
What does?
Eau Claire.
It means clear water?
Yeah, it's French. A bunch of Frenchies, a bunch of fur traders
Oh.
around here.
Ugh. Yuck. Yuck. I already want to get back. Yuck. The coffee was good. We will hit dunks on the way out. That is absolutely happening. But that's it. All we got. They let us drink in their parking lot and get all shit-faced and break our shit in their parking lot and try to help us fix it. And that's all I can say is thank you. This was fucking
Absolutely.
awesome, dude.
No
This
problem.
ruled.
No problem.
Yeah.
That's
Hey.
good.
We finally met in person, guys.
That's
true.
I'll
Isn't
give
that
you, I'll give
cool?
you
Isn't
one.
that neat?
It is very cool.
First person
The
handshake.
internet, dude. The internet joins us together. Okay. All we got to do is like and subscribe now. Like and subscribe.
I would like to like and subscribe to Eau Claire.
Yes.
Ah.
To
Get it.
Parking Lot Drinking.
Excellent.
To Knucklehead Starts. To Broken Primary.
Hell
Belts,
yeah. Hell yeah.
To
To life.
To life.
To life.
Subscribe to Having the Primary Belt in stock.
Yes.
It's on its way. It's
Yes.
flying
beat you there.
It'll
At
beat
the
you
rate
there
you
at your
guys
destination.
We'll definitely not make it, so whatever. Fucking flamethrowing this whole trip and going home. Like and subscribe to Throttle Addiction. Go to their YouTube channel. Do it. Send them comments. Tell them you love them. Tell them you love us. Let's have at it, boys and girls. Like and subscribe, Throttle Addiction. We're out of here, right? You want to hit anything? Hit it.
That's it.
Hit it.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Yes. Midwest,
Westbound.
baby.
I love it when I don't have to say it once.
But now you can.
I don't
say
like
it.
I'm
that.
not.
Take your time.
I don't
I'm not
like
gonna
it,
do it.
okay?
More is more. Right? More is better.
Hell yeah, that ruled. Thank you guys. This
Yeah.
really was fucking